So what's up people, welcome to the new video and this tutorial on Hashicorp Vault and why you should use it for secrets management. So if you are not familiar with Hashicorp Vault, it's a tool for managing secrets and sensitive data in your infrastructure. But what exactly does that mean and why you should use it? So first let's talk about what are secrets. So secrets can be a sensitive data that you need to store securely. So this can include passwords, API keys, certifications and other confidential information. So the problem is that storing secrets in plain text or your code in configuration files can be dangerous as it makes them vulnerable to security breaches. So this is where HashiCorp Vault comes in. Vault provides a secure and centralized way to store, manage, and control your access to secrets. So, with Vault, you can store your secrets and encrypt it in a central repository and control access to them using policies and other access controls. So, this makes it much easier to manage and rotate secrets as well as track who can access to them. So another benefit of using Vault for secret management is that it provides a number of different secret engines which allows you to store and manage secrets for different systems and applications. For example, Vault has secret engines for database, cloud providers, and Kubernetes such as AWS, Google Cloud, MySQL, key value pairs, and Kubernetes. So this means that you can use Vault as a single source of truth for all your secrets no matter what technologies you are using. So now let's take a quick tour of HashiCorp Vault and how it works. So here you can see on this documentation how you can install Vault. So this is the way you can install your Vault. You just need to download it. In macOS you can use Brew, you can download on Windows, on Linux, and then you can interact with Vault using its CLI or API or its UI. So first of all, let's go through it. And here I have installed Vault CLI in my system. So now let's say if I want to run Vault server in dev, so I will say Vault server dev. So now it is serving, right? So it is saying you may need to set the following environment variable. So I need to set this environment variable. This basically means that my Vault is running on my local host on 8200 port. So if I go to this port here, you can see my Vault is here, and here it wants authentication using token. So how I can pass this root token to this, and this will authenticate me in. So here I have authenticated. So now here you can see there is two secret paths. Here you can see secret, and there is no secret in this backend. So what are secret engines? You can see here, if you click on enable a secret engine, you can see there are a lot of options for enabling a secret engine in HashiCorp Vault. So there are KV, these are some generic secret engines like key value pair for SSH, and you have a cloud provider secret engines like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and you have other secret engines as well, like for databases you have MariaDB, you have Cassandra, you have for MongoDB, you can use for RabbitMQ. So there are a lot of options that Vault provides you. And now let's say I want to enable a secret engine here. So what I can do, let's say I want to enable a Google Cloud secret engine or AWS, so I can use my UI also, let's say a next, and I can provide a path, let's say AWS, and I can enable the engine. And here you can see this is enabled, this has a different path. And let's say I want to enable a secret engine using my CLI. So how I can use, I first of all I just need to export this environment variable. Let's say I have exported that. Now I can use Vault command. Here I will say Vault secrets enable KV or version 1 KV. Okay, so now you can see enabled the KV secrets engine at KV path. So here if I go again to here, you can see there's a new path for secrets, that is KV. Here how I can create the secrets, I just need to click on this create secret. Here I can provide a path also. Let's say I have a project called like blog website, and in this I have dev environment, and I can provide a path, and let's say API, my secret is API key, and I can provide the key, whatever. and now I will click on save. So here you can see my secret is added here. And also I can use Vault CLI also for doing the same thing. How I can use Vault KV. And first of all, let's say I want to get all the secrets, so I can use KV and here blog website. So it is saying no value found at KV blog website. If I go to KV blog website is there, right? So I need to pass dev also here. So here you can see I can get all the secrets that are there inside this specific path. And let's say I want to add a new secret here. So what I can do is I can run the command vault kv put kv blog website dev, and let's say my secret name is environment and equal to dev, right? So data return to this path. Here on UI you can also check on dev, you can see env is there, I have written it, right? Now if I get the secret, you can see my key value secrets are there. Now let's say I want to delete something, so how I can do, I can use kv delete kv log website dev. Now I want to write a new secret on my prod path, let's say blog website prod, and I am saying API key is equal to 12345. Data is successfully written. If I go to here, I can see prod path also. So prod path is here. Here I can see my secret, and how I can list, I can also list my secrets also. Let's say vault kv list kv path. So I can see all the paths on my kv secret path, secret engine, right? Let's say here I provide blog website, so I can see here the keys, right? This is my prod path, and let's say I create a new path here. Let's say create dev API key and 12345 something, and I have created. Now I list again, so I can see my two paths are there inside blog website. And now what I can do, let's say dev. So here it's saying no value found because it is not a path, it's path for secrets. Here I have secrets, so here I will run not list, here I will run get command. So here I can get all the secrets. So in summary, Hashicorp Vault is a very powerful tool and for managing secrets and sensitive data in your infrastructure. So by using Vault, you can store your secrets securely, control access to them using policies and access controls, and achieve compliance with security standards and regulations. And with its wide range of secret engines and easy to use CLI, Vault makes it easy to manage secrets for all your applications and systems. So thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope you found the content valuable. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.